Right. Fuck, you're right. Up. I think I've done the fucking... Yeah, that's sweet, mate. Just parked up for a rest. Oh, fuck.